Let us cook an amazing stew for our banga rice. Okay, this is my head. This is our belly pepper. So I'm going to be using this belly pepper, grind it to make this amazing banga stew. So I have to cut off some onions because I'm going to be blending them together. Of our groundnut oil. It is time for me to put onions. Let's put our tomato paste, guys. It is time for me to put our bell pepper, onions, and fresh pepper. Everything inside. Cook. Some of our nutmeg with some thyme. Hey, inside is you. Guys, this is the finish of our stew. Oh yeah. I just use it to make an assorted a little bit meat for our banga rice that we are going to be preparing tomorrow. Shy. The stew is stirring. Thank you so much for watching. I love you.